To begin your KitchenMinder 6.0 upgrade procedure, please open your Internet browser. In the address bar of your browser, please enter goicc.com. In the upper right-hand corner, please find the Burger King support icon and click on the icon to access the upgrade page. Please choose the American flag in the upper left. Scroll down. On the right-hand side of the page, please note the clickable link to download KMSS6104_ENUS. Please click this link to begin your software download. When your software download is complete, please click on the icon to begin the installation program. Please choose Run. Please click Next, verify the installation address and click Next again. Please click Next again and Next one more time. Review your settings and please click Install. Once installation is complete, please click Finish. Now, please go to the QES icon on your desktop and double-click it to open QES. Open Edit and BK Number. Please note that prior to completing this step, you should have called Integrated Control Corporation to pay for your 6.0 upgrade and clear your Burger King number to proceed. Once you have entered your Burger King number, please click on your PC Minder icon on your desktop to open PC Minder. Enter the manager's name. Now go to Forecast, Recall, and recall a forecast. Now add all products that go on the product holding unit. Now click on the Product Settings tab and click on the Warmer Type column. Choose your warmer type and load the profile using the button in the bottom, choosing from the list on the right hand side. Click Save and repeat the procedure for each PHU. Make sure to load profile for all PHUs on all day parts. Now click on the Program PHU tab. Verify that your PHU type is correct. change settings to make sure that they are correct.
Alright, so it comes to 33. For this account, it says we're going to need a credit card.
Program each individual product holding unit according to what product will be inside. Then click the Send to KitchenMinder tab and click on Send Forecast. After sending your forecast, please use the following procedure to upgrade your KitchenMinder to version 6.0. Within your PCMinder program, go to Tools, Device Updates, and choose KitchenMinder. The password is admin, A-D-M-I-N, and then please click OK. Now click OK on the device upgrade page. Click OK again, and then click Continue. Turn off your KitchenMinder, then turn the KitchenMinder back on. Please hit Continue. Watch the bottom of the screen and please wait until the procedure has completed. This could take several minutes. When the bottom of the window indicates programming complete, turn off your KitchenMinder, count to 5, and turn your KitchenMinder back on again. Verify on the screen of the KitchenMinder that the version number has upgraded to the correct version. Hit OK and send a forecast to your unit to test it. Thank you.